Imagine this. You hold one physical golden ticket and you try to pay at two market stalls at the same time. Will both sellers get your single ticket or only one? Digital copies can fool people, but good systems force one clear result. The double spending problem asks, how do we stop the same money from being spent twice? Let's find out. Picture the scene. You flash the ticket at the fruit stall and the art stall. Both sellers see the same sparkle and move to stamp paid. A bell rings over the market clock. People argue about who was first, so the market set a simple rule. Before any stamp, every trade must be written into one shared chain of boxes kept at the counter. To keep things fair, everyone checks that chain of boxes. Each trade is written into a box with a tiny timestamp, so everyone follows one timeline instead of two. Here's the idea. Think of each trade as a note placed into a box. When a box is full, it's sealed with a secret math lock and linked to the box before it, forming a chain of boxes. Each note carries a timestamp that fixes order. If your ticket lands in the fruit stall's box first, that payment is recorded. When the art stall tries the same ticket, the chain shows it's already used, so the duplicate is rejected. New boxers keep stacking, and each new box is a confirmation that your trade is settled deeper into the stack. So why it matters to you? If you sell a collectible, a concert pass, or a piece of digital art, you want payment that cannot be reused somewhere else. Confirmations give you confidence. After several boxers stack on top, changing the past trade becomes extremely hard. That point is called finality. Buyers trust they truly own what they paid for. Sellers can ship without fear. Here are the key terms to remember. Double spending problem, trying to use the same digital money twice, like one ticket at two stalls. Note, a single trade written down, also known as a transaction. Box, a batch of notes collected together in order, also known as block. Secret math lock, the seal that makes a box hard to change. Timestamp, a simple time label that decides what came first. Confirmation, each new box added on top of yours, increasing confidence. Finality, after enough confirmations, the trade is treated as fully settled. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, tap that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to keep learning about money, crypto, and how the future of finance works, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll know the moment a new episode drops. See you in the next one.